What's going on, eaters and feeders? My name is Casey, and on my channel I discuss business tips and tricks, startup hacks, entrepreneur mindset, and so much more based on my experience starting and growing Florida's highest rated meal prep company from nothing. So if you want to learn more about marketing, production, purchasing, sales, software, leadership, mindset, meditation, and everything in between, I invite you to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications so you don't miss out on any of my content. I produce videos weekly, I go live sporadically, and I don't want you missing out on any of it. If you've got an idea for an episode, let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, you're also going to want to make sure you check out the links in the show notes. Those links will give you access to so many more resources than I can fit into a YouTube video. I've got free calculators that teach you how to find all sorts of stuff that you can't see in your business. I've got free software that will completely run your business. I've got free ebooks. I've got free boot camps. I've got one-on-one consulting. I've got private groups. I've got so much stuff, and you will only find it if you check out those links in the show notes and if you venture on over to mealprepbiz101.com. That's my site where I host so many more tips, tools, resources, and great stuff that will make your life easier and make your business more successful. So check out those links and check out mealprepbiz101.com. Now let's check out today's episode.
Welcome to our channel where we go behind the scenes for meal plan company Fit Food Fresh and other local businesses across South Florida. Make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts so you never miss a video, and hit us with any questions or suggestions.
This is a special type of episode. They're essentially short little clips from longer episodes, interviews, or consultations that focus on a specific term, topic, or concept, densely packed with value and information that you can immediately learn from and implement in your business's operations. If it's a clip from a longer episode that you'd like to see in its entirety, I invite you to head on over to my YouTube channel where you can see the full-length episode and the context in which this topic was discussed. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with yours truly, I invite you to head on over to mealprepbiz101.com. Find my store. You'll be able to purchase and book a one-on-one consultation so that you and I can dive into your specific issues, ideas, and problems and see what we can come up with as far as solutions, information, and better arming you to move forward with your business operations. And I liked your prices. I like that you guys are going for high prices. A lot of people try to do bargain prices and try to go as cheap as they can. And
the amount of work that we have to put behind it, especially when you're catering for individual meals, it can't be no lower than that. Plus the consumer demand and the amount of material that you have to buy, it's not possible. It's not sustainable. And if anyone's doing it cheaper, hats off for them. I'm sure they're not making a profit.
Yeah, it's rough. I see a lot of companies, they end up just killing themselves trying to deal with that volume because the mistakes are, nobody's any more forgiving because it's cheap. They're never like, oh, you messed up my delivery. It's okay. It was only $7 a meal. They're still going to call screaming and you still got to deal with the same headache. You might as well be charging enough to make it worth your while. So you're starting off right, because a lot of people, they start off low and then they try raising their prices and it ends up not being, we made that mistake. We started off at like $9 a meal and then we had to gradually raise it up and bring it up, and it was just like pulling teeth and grandfathering people in and all this other stuff. But yeah, you guys are starting off strong. You could always go down. You can't always go up. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Again, I want to stress that you need to be subscribed to both the YouTube and the podcast. So make sure you're doing that so you get the most out of the content that I'm producing. You're also going to want to make sure that you're checking out those show notes. They're going to have links to more resources, freebies, goodies, all sorts of fun stuff like that. And of course, mealprepbiz101.com. Until my next episode, I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.